All right, first to finish up the review for the first part of the test. And looking at these, you're going to have to sketch a graph, given a graph. With this first one, and here's our original graph first off, and some coordinates on the original are this point right here, which is a -4, 6. That coordinate there is a -2, 4. And this coordinate way over here is 4, 6. And we can use those to help us in determining how to draw the graph of each one of these over here on the left. Starting with this black one, f of 3x. So because it is with the x, that means it is going to impact the x value in the inverse of what is happening here. So you are going to be multiplying x's by 1/3. And so taking a -4 times 1/3 would be a -4/3, comma 6. So 4/3 is right about, there's 4/3, 6 is right there. -2 times 1/3 is a -2/3. So right there, 4. And 4 times 1/3 is 4/3. And 6, so it's what there. And then your graph is going to look like that because it is going to compress it by a factor of 3. Now, looking at our second one. Here we have f of x minus 2 plus 3. So again, the thing with the x, because this is plus or minus, is going to shift it. And because it's minus 2, it's the inverse thing that happens when it's with the x or with the variable. And so that is going to add 2 to our x's or move to the right 2. And then the plus 3 is going to add 3 to y or move it up 3. And so this coordinate is a -4, 6. If we add 2, that goes to the right 2 and up 3. So right there, so it's going to be a -2, 9 is the coordinate. Taking this point, right 2, up 3 is going to put it there, which is at 0, 7. And taking this one to the right 2 and up 3 puts it there, which is going to be at 6 and 9. And so our graph would look like that. Doesn't change the shape when it's adding and subtracting things. Our next one in green here is 2 times f of x. Because it's not with the x variable, that means it's with the y. And since it's with there, you would be multiplying your y's by 2, which is going to stretch it vertically by 2. So instead of a -2, 4, it's going to be a -2, 8. Instead of a -4, 6, it's a -4, 12. And instead of 4, 6, it is going to be 4, 12. And we would have it there. And finally, drawing f of the absolute value of x. That is going to take all our x values and take the absolute value of them. So the -4, 6 is now going to become 4, 6. The -2, 4 is now going to become 2, 4. And the 4, 6 is still going to be 4, 6. And so it's going to look like that. And here. And then this part. And then that would be it for that one. And that concludes the first part of the test. There will be another portion posted tomorrow on the second part of the test.